Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Jonathan and Rebecca's Adventure. Today I'm going to do the review on the CJRB Pyrite-Light. It comes in, we got the green version with the black gold blade. Has a very nice thumb stud action with a button lock. Also comes with the AR PM9 blade, very razor sharp, definitely recommended. It's a Warcraft shaped blade, very nice, can carry it last 2 days, very light, very versatile, and would recommend it to anyone and everyone who is looking for a nice budget EDC within $50 price range. So we'll be seeing you guys next week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.